Here's a nice cup of hot tea. And here's a glass of the same tea, except it's ice cold. So what's the difference? Well, one is hot and one is cold. In other words, they have a different temperature. To understand what temperature is, we need to imagine the tiny particles that the hot tea is made of. Let's pretend this ball represents one of those tiny particles, an atom. Imagine all the different atoms and groups of atoms, called molecules, that make up the tea. They're all jiggling and vibrating. Now, what if we use our imagination again to look at the atoms of the cold tea? They're not jiggling nearly as much. And that's what temperature is, the jiggling, vibrating motion of atoms. These jiggly little movements are much too small to see with our eyes, but they produce a sensation that we can feel. When you touch something hot, rapidly vibrating atoms transfer some of their energy to your skin, making your atoms jiggle more. And that feels hot. The same thing happens when you touch something cold, but in reverse. Your atoms transfer away a portion of their jiggly energy, creating a feeling of cold. And that's a little bit about jiggling atoms, temperature, to think about.